Make sure to send till the end. You do one thing wrong, you're actually going to damage the intake manifold, and that can cost you quite a bit of money, maybe a few $100s. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you guys have a dot charger, you need to remove or replace map sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to remove it, common mistakes people make that can cost you hundreds of dollars. We'll explain why. And we'll also explain if you have a bad map sensor, what else it could be, because it may not be the map sensor. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that dot charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge, guys. This is a 3.6 V6 engine. That's quite actually a common engine on dot charger. So before we start, okay, many of you guys have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about diagnostic tool that we recommend, we use here at the shop. We decided to do that. This is one of the best tools, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So it's amazing tool, guys. Check it out. Now, map sensor, we need to remove that upper engine cover. That upper engine cover attaches with 4 rubber bushings right here, you can see, and those are the rubber bushings. You just grab it with your hand and pull straight up without twisting. And if you come now right here, you can see where the throttle body is. Okay, let's move it just a little bit so I can show you. This is your intake manifold, that's where the car gets its air from. This is the throttle body. So the map sensor is usually after the throttle body. We're talking about that sensor here. Now, if that sensor, if you need to replace it, always first thing I recommend to inspect to make sure that it's plugged all the way in, because if it's not, it will not communicate. Make sure the wires are pushed all the way in, because sometimes people will try to disconnect the connector and pull for the wires instead of the plastic connector, and that can pull them out of the connector there. Next, make sure the connector is clean, not dirty, not contaminated with dust, oil, dirt, water, rust, anything like that. And if that doesn't fix the problem, we have a special video that explains how to test map sensor, which is very easy without even removing it. So right here now, you're going to grab that connector and push it in, okay, to release the pressure from the weather seal. That red thing needs to be slide out. Now you press down and you disconnect it. You grab only for the plastic part to pull out. Now that sensor, if you don't remove it the right way, you will break your intake manifold. That intake manifold, it's a whole piece right here that will cost you a few $100s. So avoid that, guys. So turn it about, okay, 90 well, let me see exactly where it comes. Okay, right there. So when it's installed, that sensor will be right there. So you turn it about 90 degrees to about right here to be perpendicular to this one here, and pull straight up. It might be stuck because you have a seal, but don't force it, don't pry on it, because if it's not out of the teeth, it's not going to come out and you will destroy the intake manifold. If you need to buy a new sensor for a good price, guys, and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get it from. Something else, if you want to see anything specifically on dot charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Let us know, drop a comment below. That way we'll be able to help you, help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.